Hello, you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, thanks for joining. My name is Kanita, and hi, you guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kanita, and you already know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, and hit that notification bell so you know when your girl is post. As you guys can see, this is a voiceover, but we're going to go ahead and make it through this video. Y'all stick around to the end of the video. And as you guys can see from the title, it is a hair review. But before we get into that, I wanted to thank you guys so much for coming to my channel, supporting me, watching these hair reviews, just stand along with me along this journey as far as me doing this and just supporting me. I want to thank you guys so much for that and just having this opportunity to be on here so y'all can watch my crazy self. So I did want to just thank you guys. So I'm gonna give y'all a minute to, do what you need to do real quick so we can jump straight into this hair review, because that's what this is about, right? This is what y'all came to see. So here we go. Let's get it. So let's jump straight into this hair review, you guys. So we are going to be talking about this lovely hair that I am wearing. Beautiful hair. It is a 18-inch water wave lace front wigs 3x4 T-part human hair wig for black women. 18-inch water kinky curly middle part transparent lace closure wigs 180 density wet and wavy Brazilian virgin wig pre-plucked. Okay, you guys, they have a lot of selections. The hair only go up to 24 inches. So you have a lot of selections to choose from, such as body wave, Brazilian. So check that out. It has a lot of different things that you guys could choose from. So you guys, I wanted to talk a little bit further into the cap. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So I love the fact that it has two combs on the side, a comb in the back. It also has the two straps, and then it has a security strap. I love that. I love the fact that you didn't have to do any plucking if you didn't choose to. I love the fact that it's on the go hair, and it looks so natural and beautiful on you. You guys, I got so many compliments on this hair. The only problems that I had was I didn't think that it measured up to be a 18-inch. It's like Larry a little bit in the back. As you guys can see that I'm showing you, see how that layered off, and it didn't touch like the front did. It didn't touch down like the front did. And I was thinking, well, maybe because it's curly or what, but no, it just was not matching up. So I felt like that could have been done further down to where it would be more of an 18-inch all over, not a Larry look of 18. But beyond all of that, you guys, this unit is beautiful. It's more on to go. You don't have to do a lot, and I'm pretty sure, and I know for myself, it's very easy to maintain. Like I said, the only product that I used in this hair was water. That was it, water, and combed it, no shedding, no tangles, any of that. So the hair was still beautiful beyond the part of it not completely being a whole 18-inch for me. You guys asked me to give it to you honest, and that's what I'm going to deliver, honesty. So it's beyond, like I said, beyond that 18, y'all. This is what's good. And like I said, if you didn't want to use any glue for this hair, you didn't have to use any glue. You have that security in this unit to keep it secure without you adding glue. I'm just extra, y'all. I was extra, so I added a little glue. So that was really it. Look, I can see I can't even do a video because somebody's always bothering me. But back to this hair. But I love it. You see, I just cannot keep my hands out of it. I like the feeling. It's super soft. And that natural curly kinky just was so beautiful. And it's something that, you know, you got to have in your collection. You got to have this hair. Like, it's one of them because, like, imagine if you are on the go and you want something quick. You don't want something where you have to go get through this, have to do that. No, you want something you can grab a little makeup, put on there, put your strap on in this unit to tighten it. There you go. But y'all, right now I'm showing you guys this box. I could not go without telling them how beautiful this box was. I haven't got a box yet, so this is my first box. So thank you. This is my first box, y'all, and it's so cute. Like, when you are a business owner for yourself, you know, and you want good quality sent to you. So I could not go without saying that box was given. So honey, that's what I needed you guys to know. But if you guys have any questions on this unit, anything that you want to know in this video, please leave all of that in my comments so that I can respond back to you guys and let you guys know what it is. A girl's gonna give that honesty to you, let you know. But this is, you know, what's the saying? What you see is what you get, and this is what you got, y'all. This unit is really giving. Beyond those inches, this unit is really giving. I loved it beyond the inch problem. I loved it. This is me talking about the straps in the back, the extra security, which you guys already told you about. I mean, I love that part. That was a part that I thought was just like so cute, and it was meaningful. It was meant to be there to help you, like for girls who don't want to add glue, you know, to stress your edges sometimes. But if you're not putting them on your edges, you won't have to worry about that. But I'm just saying, if you didn't want to add glue to this unit, you didn't have to. Y'all, I added those baby hairs, y'all. I felt like a little Indian in it. Like I did a video, I felt a little Puerto Rican. No, but it was really good. It's a really beautiful unit. So if this is something that you guys are looking for, you're looking for something natural, something secure, something that, you know, you can get up and go, this is a unit for you. So if you guys have any questions regarding this unit or any other units, you guys leave those comments below, because right now, y'all, I'm ready for the party. That's what I said right here. I'm ready for the party. But I love sharing my opinion with you guys. Look at me, can't even get it out. I love sharing my opinions with you guys on the units. I'm giving it to you 100% real. This unit is beautiful. The hair is lovely. It didn't have a smell, no shedding, no tangles. So you guys remember those things. And it's extra security. You don't have to use no glue. You don't have to bleach it. You don't have to pluck it. So if you're not good at any of those things, this is a unit that could be in your collection, honey. Because this is what I did. Completely, really nothing, you guys. And you would love when you get a unit like that you don't have to put a lot of work into. You just put it on, a little makeup, and get up and go. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm sorry this time that it was a voiceover. Life issues happen, but y'all, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and hit that notification bell so you know. Love you.